Welcome back, guys. So yesterday I encountered a severe bug with my client's website. The website's already deployed and online, but he wanted to change. But if I want to change that, then I need to fix the thing what's going on. I'm not sure why it's acting like that, and we're gonna check one by one. So I will show you it on the screen. Give me a second, guys. Okay. So when I host a website and go to the local host, we will have an issue. Show you. Talk website main.js z is not defined. But the thing is, we don't have this z. So we need to read everything. Or we need to update, which I'm gonna do first. Update all packages npm. What is this? Okay, so we're gonna try that first. Okay. It seems that we have types. I don't know why we have types. That is strange. It seems that we have types. Why do we have types? So let's read that. Okay. Let's go here. Okay, you don't have to tell me this like a lot of times. Okay, um, okay. It seems like we have types installed, but we don't use TypeScript. Code only JSX. Let me see what it does. I'm not sure which API I'm doing. I just want to make sure that every package is okay. Okay. So this is the DeepSeek stuff. Actually, meanwhile, I want to see what the Google API is all about. So there's apparently a new one out. So let's do that. And let's make it smaller. Something like that. And let's go here. Gemini. Oh yeah, it says new Flash Pro experimental. Knowledge cutoff. Augustus latency. Okay, so let's do this one. Okay. I let this run for a while. Actually, let me get the API for a second. Let's do Gemini for this. It's not a. Let's go to menu and let's get API key. Let's go to Gemini, Google Gemini, into API key. And I want to use the Pro experimental. Okay, great. So let's see if that could potentially solve the problem. I don't think so though. No, absolutely not. Okay. So I'm gonna keep this on the side as well. So this is a new page. And this is gonna be on the side because it's not working. Right? I'm getting the error. So we're gonna start all the way on the top. We're gonna go to main and see what's going on. So nothing too special. Should work. Let's go to the app. I'm very adamant about this one. So let's read. Use effect. Okay. Use params. React routed DOM. Okay. This one can go. Okay. So what does this do? What is this? Okay, it seems that it's using params. So we can remove the DE. That won't fix the application though. But now we can search DE everywhere. Okay. Actually, let's get rid of this entire root. Okay. So we don't have that anymore. Okay. Okay, so that is not a problem anymore. Okay. Let's continue. Return. Okay, I think both of them could be here. There's no reason why that shouldn't be. Okay. Let's check all the paths. See, this one doesn't exist anymore. Block. Okay. Okay. Alright, so let's remove block entirely. And also on the top. So that doesn't exist anymore. Okay. I'm not sure why the footer is here. This can just be here. This is. Oh no, no, it should be here. And oh yeah, these two as well. So let's do that actually. That should be no, those should be here. Okay, no worries. Okay, so the issue is not in the app. Okay, let's check here what's going on. Okay, nothing too crazy. Works. Let's check the app CSS. We're not using those. Okay, let's go here. Nothing special. Nothing special. Nothing special. I can actually remove it as well. So let's actually do that because we're not using it. Okay. So let's get rid of things that we are not using. So this one we're not using. This one we're not using. This one we're not using. Okay, let's go to extra. This one we're not using. Hero image we're not using. Tag button we are using. Contact, are we using this? No, we're not using that. Okay. Okay. So we still have the issue, right? Look at here, still working. Okay, so let's start with the navigation. React use state. Okay, so we already have here an issue here. Like the new path, current path, language path, current path. So we could say to Gemini DE for language doesn't exist anymore. Get rid of the code that is still using it. We are using NL as default and Ian is also available. Okay. Already? Um, let's go to another. Then let's go to experimental. Okay, let's go here then. 404 not found. Oh, okay, that one doesn't exist anymore. Okay, no worries. That's because it needs to be updated. Okay, let's try it. Um, too many requests. Resource has been but I barely use anything. Okay, we're gonna do it another way because the APIs are fuck off. It's really fast. Love it. That won't probably fix the issue, but we're fixing it in the meantime. Right? That won't fix the issue. So what I'm gonna ask is for another model called Claude, React Babel feed doesn't seem to be properly installed. Could you reinstall it? Okay. Still the same issue. Okay. No worries. We can do 3000 if you don't want to. Okay. Is there anything else? Okay. 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 I still have the same issue. So that is also not it. Okay. We have types here. We don't need to have types. Yes. Okay. Great. Now let's then start with the navigation then. Let's see if we have stupid stuff here. So we have use state, link, use navigate, high language, use translation, and prop types. So I want to remove the prop types because it's annoying me. Um, remove the prop types because that could potentially cause an issue that I need to define something that I shouldn't. Okay. Okay. Let's see. Doesn't fix the issue though. we even have an error on top. Well, we don't need to use class name. Like, where did we use class name? This one can also be gone. Okay. Okay, let me see what the error is. The server responded with a status of 500. Maybe I can do something with that. Let's go here. Very expensive model. It's gonna exhaust soon, but that's okay. And then we're gonna read more forward and see what is the mistake is all about. I'm curious what it's gonna be about. Okay, I am going to do that myself. npm run dev. Let's see what happens. Nope. So that is also not the issue. Alright, so let's go to hero truck. Let's see. React, use translation, and calculator. Use T as the translation. Okay. Doesn't seem to be many things wrong here. Let's check about the Z stuff. Okay, nothing wrong with that. I do see here an ending that was unexpected. Okay. Check the WhatsApp. Nope, not here. So then let's check the calculator. Use state. Okay. What's going on here? Oh, that's my cursor. Okay. Doesn't seem anything to be wrong here, to be honest. No. Okay. Oh wait, maybe these ones do not exist. So let's assume it doesn't exist, right? This could be potentially an issue. So let's remove the labels real quick. That could potentially cause an issue, but it's not the issue though. Okay. Great. Let's go to About Us. React. T translation. So I have a potential issue. I am using translations. Sometimes, um, could you check if all of them exist? So this could potentially be an issue. Okay, I'm curious what it will do. Small observations. Could you remove unused translation keys? I think I need to build an entire new one. I don't think I'm gonna find it, guys. Be very honest with you. I don't think I'm gonna find it. Yeah, let's build a new one. Okay. Um, I think I won't be able to find it. That's unfortunate though. I'm not sure what happened. Great. Truck fix website. I won't be able to find it probably. Let me see. React, JavaScript. Okay, let's install Tailwind, but the old way. Okay. So yeah, unfortunately, let's close that one. And if we said about it. So I'm gonna component app main app index. We're gonna copy those and we're gonna paste them, replace them, yes. Assets. Okay, now we got the assets done, copied, and the components. Did we copy those? Yes, we did. Okay, great. Public. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Okay. We also need to install because we're gonna run into issue. This is the old way. Okay. Post CSS. Could not be run. Okay, so let's copy the tailwind config and the post config to the other ones. It's probably gonna give me some issues for that one. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, I need these ones. Okay, and I wanna go to. Maybe I already have it. Yeah, I do. It's not gonna work. That's what I know for sure. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, but it gives me other errors, so that's good. I am missing some packages. Please install. Okay. There are more, probably. Also, I should this is the truck fix website, but I need the other one for the index. So let's do that. For like this one needs to be this one. Okay, so we have a half hour left. I'm probably gonna exhaust soon. Let's check in the meanwhile if things are working. Camera dev. I don't think so. No. Does the file exist? Okay, so we're missing a file. Dot 18 an. Okay, so let's check. So let's go here. So let's go to the talk website and we have something with 18 an. Okay, and that is this one. And then let's go to the truck website source and let's paste that here. Okay, so we have a new error. So let's go here. Okay, let's run. Okay, it looks like you're trying to use CSS directly associated with a plugin. Okay. So we have a tailwind issue. As long as it doesn't rewrite my stuff. Okay. So okay. Let's see. So we moved to a new structure and now the undefined is not existing anymore, but now we need to properly install Tailwind. It's the reason why it's not working is because Tailwind has moved to a new way of there's a new version which is significant. hopefully it will fix it. Like I don't want to do it manually. Like I'll show you how to do it manually, right? Like you have to go to Tailwind CSS, and then you need to go to the documentation, and then you can say using post CSS. This is how you should do it. You can also do this one, right? But I like this way of doing stuff. Let's see if it can figure it out. Okay, we have an NN problem. Okay, great. So we have 25 minutes left for a fix. So let's see what it comes up with. Okay, great. Let's try it. Will it work? No. About me from app to JSX. Does the val exist? Okay, so let's see. Let's go to app to JSX, and we have things that do not exist anymore. So such as about me, such as multiple ones. It's gonna give me the errors. Surface. Okay, surface fixed. Looks like okay, so we still have the issue for the tailwind, so we're gonna properly install that. So let's do that. Okay, so let's do that. Else it's gonna give us severe issues. Let's not do that. Okay, that's the first one. Um, Add this to your postjs config.mjs. Postconfig.mjs. Let's go here. Okay, great. Import Tailwind CSS in the CSS file. Okay, I'm not sure which one that is. Let me see. I think it's this one. Let me double check. Yeah, okay. And let's check what it is now. So we still have an error. I'm just not sure what it is. It doesn't tell me what it is. Okay. Let's do npm install again, just in case. Okay. Okay, so we have old CSS here. Let's see. Page reload. So we have nothing on the screen, so let's check, but at least we don't have that error anymore. Uncaught error, about me is not defined. Add app content app.js. Okay, so we're using an import at app.jsx that says about me. So let's check where that is. So about us. Okay, it's not about the path. It is about the package about me. Okay, so we have an issue here. Also with this one. Surface. Okay, how about now? We still have an internal server error, and that's because of the tailwind. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, we did some installations, but first I wanna check it's working. Okay, it's working. Okay, good. Now we have something else running, which is a port that is busy, but the website is working again. Great. Okay, that's good. We have some certain issues that we can work on, but it's working again. Great. Well, that was it. Like, the fixes can come later. We did the debugging. We have 15 minutes left. So, okay. So let's check Diensten. Okay, so let's go there. Dienst. Servers. Okay. And on the servers, the button is, let's see where the button is. Forest green does not exist. Text green 500. Let's do 800. And let's make the text a bit smaller. So text 16 pixels. How about 14 pixels? Sure. Okay, great. Um, so these ones should have the same translations as these ones. So let's do that. Let's go into the translations. Okay. Let's go into the translations. In the calculators. You see where it is? Okay, it should be these ones. So let's go to the calculator. Okay. Also, okay, so here we have them. So copy this one, copy this one, and copy this one. And now we're going to, I'm not sure which one it is though. Pricing, yes. So instead of that, we want to do this one. That's my alarm. We want to do the bus. And we want to do the truck. Let's see. Okay. Now we have a link issue here. Okay, so these links do work, but these links do not work. So let's go into the navigation and see what it is all about. Why do the links do not work? Link link to, about me. Let me see if that's the same. It is about me though. Okay, so we have a little bit of a weird issue here. I need to think about that, why that is. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna do. Because that's a lot of typing. Let's see if the responsive does work. Yeah, they don't work. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so I'm not gonna do all the padding. That is just mundane work. But the thing is that if I click here, right, that I actually get the page, or here I get the page. So this is working. But on these ones, they don't work, and that has to do with padding. It's mundane work, so I let the AI do it. Else it will take me like 10 minutes. Hopefully it did fix it. Alright, it fixed it greatly. Let's see if it's all fixed for the mobile. Great. Works like champ. Nothing to complain here. Okay, let's see if these are still working. Yeah. So this one says pricing and it has a language issue, so let's change that as well. So let's go to the prefix pricing. Okay, this is how it should look like. So let me copy those. And let's go to the footer and let's see what this is all about. To prefix pricing. Okay. Okay, the reason why it's not working is because it's using the wrong one. I should say pricing and then this should be fixed. Maybe it's, yeah, okay, great. I'm very happy about the result. I think that's the only fix we needed to do. So we have debugged successfully by migrating the other project. And unfortunately, because this project is working, right? But this project is a failure. So let's go here. I have a feeling what it could be, but this project will probably never work because there's what I probably did somewhere. I went to a deeper package and accidentally pushed something and then saved it. So I won't be able to find that ever. Well, ever, but we don't have time for that, so we're gonna gone. So this one never to be seen. Now, because we did that successfully, we're gonna leave it at that for this project. I see I have 10 minutes left, so let's continue a bit with the other project, which is Svelte. So let's do that. Let's go and change the title. Give me a second, guys. Svelte project finish soon. Okay, let's type it like that. Great. And let's then run dev. So this is how it looks like. It's not too bad. Let's see if we can match the Figma file. So let's go to Figma. If it's loading. It's not loading. Not sure why. It's loading again. Okay. Figma. Interesting. Okay. So we're gonna try to make this as close as possible when it comes to the size. So the size is 152 by 48. So let's do that. So let's go to and see what it's all about. Where is it? The one is at the popular. So let's do that. Let's go to popular, popular, and then let's zoom in a bit and make it adjust on the screen. And we have a button somewhere. Let me see if I can find it. Ah, it's here. So we're gonna adjust the width and the size instead of the padding. So let's see what it's all about. It is 152 by 48. So let's do that. Width 152 pixels and the height is 48 pixels. Let's see if it's gonna look closely something like that. So let's open it up here. Okay, that looks close. Now let's see for the text. The text is, the weight is 600 and the size is 16. Okay, so text 16 pixels and um, font 600. Okay, let's see if that looks anything close. Yeah, that is should look. Okay, let's do the same for the others. So C or FAQ, we're gonna do the exact same. So we're gonna copy that. So let's go to the FAQ and let's go to the button. Let me see where it is. I see here a button closed. This is not the one that I want. So it's somewhere on the top. So let's see. Button. No, not that one. Let's look more closely. Um, oh, it is in the other section. Yeah, it's in the other section. It's called international, probably. Professional, yeah. And get your broker's account now. No, okay, so it's not that one. I have to check where it is. Which, what testimonial search, recent popular paragraph, navigation, how it works. Let's see what this is all about. No. Heading, footer, FAQ. Frequently asked, recently, recently viewed listings. Okay, so it's not professional. Um, banner, award winning. No, it's not that one. Cities, button. Nope. CTA, maybe. Nope. Okay, so let's look for the text then. So C or FAQ, and we're gonna just see where it is. Testimonials. Oh, of course. Like if you misspell, you will not find it. Oh, here. Okay, so we're gonna replace that one with this one, and then we're gonna say C or FAQ, and which is capital letters. C or FAQ. Alright, so let's see. Wait, this one gone. C or FAQ. Okay, and then we have see more in the recently. So recent, we're gonna replace that, and we're gonna say see more, which is also gonna be bigger. Great. Is there anything else? No. Okay, so we have 3 minutes left, so I think this is a good time to leave. We fixed the other project for the client, and we're gonna host it probably soon. But for now, we're gonna leave, and we will be probably be back tonight. I'm not sure. We'll see about that. So yeah, see you guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment if you want to see me making 6 months today in 7 years, and I will see you on to the next one.